Everything's all back in place. You know, just dry it off. And another way to know that you tightened these two correctly is once you start turning the water valve back on and there's no leaks, then that's mean that you did a good job. So let's test it out. We're gonna test it out with my 21-in-1 Leatherman tool for as an engineer. So I think we did a good job. There you go. So we did a good job. There's no leaks. So I guess I can just do a little bit more turn. And that's how you do it, you guys.